Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to accept friend requests. As you know, when it comes to playing online, we need to play with our friends and everything. So basically, for someone to send us a friend request, they need our ID, EA ID. So when you give your friends your EA ID, or if you give them your email, so they can send you a friend request. Basically, when a friend request is has been sent, you will find a notification that will tell you that someone has sent you a friend request. So and it asks you if you want to accept them or not. As you can see, a friend request will be sent to me just now. This is the form of the friend request. So basically, this is the guy that sent me friend request. So here you can click the confirm button if you want to accept the friend request, and here the decline button. And of course, because I want friends here in the origin app, I will just accept the friend request. And as you can see, here is the friend after we accepted the invitation, and now you can just talk with them normally and do all the stuff or playing together. So that's it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.